So this is how we turned our miter saw into an automatic dust collection system. It's with the Autoswitch, and it has a port for your tool and for your saw. So you just plug your miter saw into the tool outlet and your shop vac into the vac outlet and hook the shop vac up to your saw. So every time you activate your saw, when it's plugged into the Autoswitch, it will automatically kick on your vacuum, and then after you release the saw, it'll go on for a couple seconds and then turn off. So you don't have to manually turn your vacuum on and off. So every time we do a job for somebody and they have their own saws, they're a do-it-yourselfer, they ask me where I got this switch. So now we've just done a house of baseboards. Let's see how much sawdust we collected. A ton. So here's a cut without the vacuum on, and you can see the dust is just flying everywhere. For a link to where you can buy this for yourself, I think it's about 30 bucks. Go to crownmoldinginstaller.com. Thanks for watching.